Mahama, listen, NDC did not come to power because they were a better party than MPP.
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba, Ediba Ghana and Sem TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need to say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e die nto Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
President Mahama, listen, NDC did not come to power because they were a better party than MPP. No, sir, no, madam. That's not the reason why NDC came to power. No. It was about a covenant of God over the nation that President Mahama was chosen to accomplish. During the time of election, we work it out. He alluded to obey. So God gave him the chance. He had no chance against Bawumia during the time of election. It was the covenant of God that gave him the opportunity for him to sit on the seat of government. As we are speaking right now, our president is still walking disobedience as the covenant over the nation is concerned. And I keep telling you, the National Prayer and Thanksgiving Service, the covenant in which it is, that is not what they are doing. Now, it is that covenant that gave President Mahama to become a president. He has not fulfilled that covenant yet. Now, Dr. Bawumia is coming closer. And I saw it. Now, Dr. Bawumia is coming closer. And I saw in him that whatever the Lord will instruct, he obeyed. That's what I just saw right now. I'm just giving explanation to everything. I saw that. It is not what I wish that God will do. It's what God instructed that will do. If the Lord instructed that we should speak to Dr. Bawumia with the covenant of God over the nation, it is not with any pastor. It's not with any bishop. It's not with any archbishop. It's with me. Because I'm the one God gave it to since 2008. Spoke to the late President John Evans Smith, so read in perfect peace. Gave it to him. Continue. Mahama is supposed to continue. But respectfully, he's been disobedient. Because
and something kilometers. If you enter a canoe, how much of Ankobra can you police? And so with the collaboration of the finance minister, the Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Interior Police came with some requirements that they need, for patrolling the water bodies, and then equipment they need to maintain. They need tents for the forest reserves. Once they've cleared the Galamsey operators, they need to have tents where they can camp the soldiers and have kitchens where they can cook their food and all that kind of thing. So we're working with illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved a circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. And the work of the don't have our own people involved. And so I don't.
So, that is why Wama, the Attorney General, so Kata Koma Yoko. Sanko for me, Nakosi saying. Now, where crowd Yameti Yano, and they are making Kayano, and young time I won't to me, yes, it was Jai, and then crowd time will be, I'm an aqua assassin, so aqua assassin, 20 years. Nani Pano say assassin, so say. The Canada.
Edemano unya Kamila Al Hassan ayi teacher ni yo say hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ ke unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ ke onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we ya futuo obi asamba susuka na wunnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby a wo no ankasa no baby a isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no se de nka ese ye ka no ene wo nti Kamila Al Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wo ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho ye yesre ya na video ni ye hwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me se Kamila Al Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na hokwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Join it down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shiny, my papa, and not done who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bawumia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bawumia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by the many members all members come to do to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most of the digitalization and to kinki. It's more kinki sika. It's a memo papa na ba, omo mamo kinki, and memo other than mokam. You come here. And you John the money, Mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now what are you kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey. Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.